Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we saw register the car. In this video, I'm going to talk about the brand. We successfully add the brand. We have to view the brand. So how to view the brand? We need a table. So what you're going to do is, here this all things we have to put into separate folder and do it. So later on we will make the separate folder. So here this inside this folder we have to do it. Okay. So select this web app. I'm going to make it as this one brand. This one has a brand list. So write a list of item. Write a brand list. So you have to create a class. We have to copy this one. Paste it here. Brand list. Okay. This is brand list. The extension is we remove this one. Again, paste it. Brand list. Right. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is I have to remove this form tag. We don't need them. Right here we have to make it as brand list. Brand list. You have to make it as brand list. This one should be the brand list. Set. Under adding, we have to make it the table. So table architecture, when you make this table architecture, you go to the Google and type bootstrap table. Bootstrap 5 table. There's a table design is there. Copy and click on this. This is a table architecture. Just copy and paste it. What would be there? Copy it. Just paste it here. Right. There's a dummy data should be there. Now let's file save all and check it back how the table look like. Okay, so let's run the application again. Check it back how design would be. Server is connected, everything connected, right? So right. So we have right here slash brand list.jsp. Here it's working perfectly well. It's working perfectly well. Right. Now what you're going to do is instead of that, we have to make it our data from the database. Right. Now what you're going to do is here, I'm going to do it as like this way. So we have to do it here. First, we have to all things here, I'm going to remove it. This is a table adding. So here this all things are get rid of this. This organized we don't need. Sorry. T body only keep one data. Other data we don't need that. I'm going to get rid of this part. Okay. Right. Now here we have to make it as the first one should be the heading. We have a heading. Right. So these are the headings. So here first one is a brand ID. This one should be the ID. Brand ID is an ID. It's a brand name. Brand name. We have a two columns are there. Brand name. Right. So brand name and it's a ID. It's a ID. Brand ID is brand name. Here TD data. What you're going to insert T body. What you're going to write here is we have to write it. Here you have to write. First we have to implement the JSP tag, open tag and close tag. Here this tag, first you have to establish the database connection. What is the database connection? How to implement here this one. Establish the database connection. So how to implement it? You write it here. Brand list. You write connection con equal db. This is my database dot get connection. First you have to establish the database connection first. Second step what you're going to do is you have to write the string SQL. You have to write the SQL code equal select all from brand. It's a brand table. We have to select the brand table. After that, third step we have to make the prepare statement. Prepared. We have to make it as a prepare statement. Okay, the prepare statement object equal new. Sorry, not new. Con. You have to make it the prepare statement, SQL code, whether it check whether this connectivity and your query is correct or not. After that, what you're going to do is you have to make the result set and you have to read the table. Result set object rs result set equal prepare statement object dot execute none query. You have to check it. After that, we have load all the data from the which table? Brand table. What are the data is there? It will be loaded and passing to where? In this table. So how to get this one? We have to put it to the while loop here. Here put it the while loop. While rs mean all the all the data collection, it will be loaded and put into the rs object. So result set object, result set dot next. That's it. After that, we have to open the bracket. Okay, you don't need to close it here, right? So here we have to write this is num1. So here we have to write it this one. We don't need them. Here we have to write pass it here. Open the JSP tag. Okay, you have to open the JSP tag means a percentage tag. Okay, percentage equal. You have to display the data. Result set dot. This one should be the ID is get int. You have to write there. What's the ID? Field is there. We put into the ID field. This ID field. Second is a name field. So that one, the same thing, just copy it, paste it here. Result set. This one should be the get string, not ID string. Get string. Get string. Let's get string. Here you have got what's the thing? What's this? Name. Okay, what you are given here? Name. Right? After that, this line we don't need them. We have to get rid of this line. After done the stuff, we have to this tr tag is open and close it here. Here we have to open the while loop. We have to close the while loop over here. So how to close the while loop? The same thing. We have to write open the JSP tag and close the JSP tag. Here we have to close the things. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do it. Now let's run the application, check whether how it's working. Brand list. Brand list. Here successfully data will be retrieved. The database retrieving successfully. The data is retrieving successfully. You can see here. Retrieving successfully from the database. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Right. I hope you guys understood things well. I'll see you in my next lecture in tech.